First, you need to set a location in the map. Then you change to the visual mode and the aerial image mode. Then you select the building type and rotate and adjust the position of the 3D model, adjust the building length and the width. Now, after entering all the other building info, you change to the roof planner and you see the background image already cropped to the roof surface. You can then easily plan the obstacles on the roof, align them as needed. Now select the module. Select the construction. After finding a construction, you can then place the modules on the roof, calculate the mounting system, and after that, just proceed as usual, calculate the electrical parts, and you're finished. So then the second option is to upload your own image. Again, select the building type, then click on uploading your own image, select a file from your computer. When the image has loaded, you need to draw a reference line so that we can scale the image to the 3D model. So best is if you draw the length of the building. By pressing Ctrl, you can move the image. Then you can enter the length of the line. Here it's 81 meters, the length of the building. Then select which type of line this represents. If you're not sure, just select Other. And then you need to rotate the north arrow so that it aligns with your building's orientation. Hit close and the model will then align to the image. Now adjust the width again of the building and all the other input as needed. And now you see the background image again cropped to your roof surface. You can then again plan the obstacles as before. Let me just do this quickly. After adding the obstacles, just proceed as usual, plan the modules, calculate the mounting system, calculate the electric parts, and you're finished.